Welcome, you guys. Welcome to Angry Bird Court. This is the Commonwealth Court. Yes, I love the Commonwealth. I was born in that district, that area. Yes, I was. Bird, how's your allergies? You don't look too good today. He can't talk. His allergies have him all, they've run amok. It's November. Anyway, let's get on with the docket. Yeah, you can let them all in the courtroom though, Bird. Let them in, all of them. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, you guys. You may be seated. Court is now in session. It's awful good being on the other side of the dirty dims. I'm the judge. Oh, that judge right here, right now. Okay, first on the docket is abusive news. If you are watching abusive news, do you know what abusive news is? When you're looking at the news and the reporter's going, he said, he did, he is not, that is abusive news. Now, all you people that represent the abusive news, it is not just the reporters that will suffer the consequences. It is the viewer. The viewer. It is important what you let in here. Now, myself as a judge, I am very particular about what I let in this space here. And I suggest you do as well. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Abusive news. I'm going to reset you to November 5th. Now, you guys ask, why do you keep resetting these cases? Because I want to hold them behind bars where they belong. They all belong behind bars. Get them out of here. Okay. Next on the docket, Pelosi. I had to reset her. Miss Pelosi was acting a fool. When she was sitting in the chain gang, she was requesting Xanny bars, and I told her there is no Xanny bar here, lady. You are going to go through this and you're going to feel it all the way without Xanny bars, ice cream, or bottles of wine. You're going to feel every bit of what you gave to us, lady. So no Xanny bars for Nancy, and she is under medical watch till we get it out of her system. Her system. Yes. Next on the case, voter fraud. I'm going to reset that because they need to sit as long as they can so that they could tell the truth. Reset until truth. Sometimes, you guys, I don't think the truth is in them. You're so used to doing things back to back. I mean, they constantly do these things. They never apologize. They never retract. They never do anything. And we're all sitting here like, what? Wait a minute. Didn't you just? Yes, they did do that. And they're never held accountable. So what we're going to do, we're going to hold them in the clink. Clink. Reset voter fraud. Okay. These draconian measures in my courtroom are the ones that I picked, and I'm going to tell you why. You guys parties in the Commonwealth that keep voting the same way, keeping these Democrats in control, and their draconian measures, the measures that want everyone locked inside and wearing a mask, you are responsible for every American that is not happy right now. These draconian measures must end. They must end. Get them out of here. All of them. Oh, wait, Bert, wait. Oh, Shep. Calm down, little buddy. I don't want you to go after these ones. I got a whole Shep. You guys, Shep will tear something up. I love Shep. I do. I really do. But he is not all that friendly when it comes to ungratefuls. Shep does not like ungratefuls because he's very grateful for his bones. His bones. So, the ungratefuls. All rise, ungratefuls. You have been held in my courtroom because you're ungrateful. God has given us so much to be grateful for. And you guys want to take Americans back to slavery? Well, I'm going to reset your case, and you're going to tell me where your struggle started from the day you were born. If you didn't pick cotton, if you wasn't in slavery, you have no right to speak on it. None in this courtroom. There is nothing that makes me more crazy than some ungrateful millennials. Now, keep in mind, Auntie knows it is the people you hang around and some of the ones that you sit around and they're just as negative as the day is long. But they will atone for everything that they have not taught you. And what they have not taught you is we have so much to be grateful for. Straighten your face. Put your lips in, sitting in my courtroom like this. Shep, I have this, Shep. Straighten your faces, all of you. Straighten your faces, hold your heads up high, and thank God that you didn't have to endure it. Or did you? We're going to reset and we're going to investigate. You don't want me to put Sydney on you. Now, you guys, a lot of people jumped to conclusion that Sydney was all up in Uncle's stuff. She has been helping. She's a very sweet lady, and we don't know. See, that's the problem. People jump, and they always want to put their eggs in one basket. But the art of the deal, the art of my Uncle Donald's deal, is you do not put all your eggs in one basket, because we don't know who to trust here, folks. We don't know. They're all dirty. And it is up to each and every one of you to put your trust in the only thing that doesn't change. God, he never fails you. Not but he never fails. You better ask somebody. God never fails. You do. When you don't, put your trust in him. I mean, you have to. I mean, it's the thing, it's the cool thing to do. Yes. So I'm going to leave you guys with that in the court. See you guys next session. Hope the cell is nice and tidy. Shep, hold. Oh, Shep. Goodbye, you guys.